Hello, my acquaintances. I currently have a license to ill, so I apologize for my less put together appearance. What better to make me feel better than Teletubby shoe? We're opening them up. I'm waiting for these things for a year. You heard me talking about them in my last Teletubby video. The box is about the same size as the other ones, and I kind of expect it to be a little bigger, so... Oh, this is a rubber band. Forget a rubber band, 'cause you can't put a rubber band around a mini. Oh, I see them in there. They stink. Why are you packaging smells? They're like holographic. Dude. No. These are epicness. So, this is this side. This is this side. The blue is like kind of holographic-ish. It's kind of probably hard to see with the camera's harsh lighting, but it's got a color. It's like a duochrome at least. It shifts from kind of blue to green. And then the bottom is kind of this like dance. I don't know how to describe this material anything other than what you have to wear in dance. It's like this dance material on the green. And then they have the little speaker that comes up and says time for Teletubbies. But it kind of looks like a AirPod. Do they only have Poe and Lala here? Where's the... Oh, no. Okay. So this shoe has Dipsy and Tinky Winky. And then this shoe has Poe and Lala. So it's a little bit of a... Put them together and you got the whole crew. The rest of the shoes are the same. They just have, you know, 2 on each. So, here comes my review. Price, I'll say 5. I'll say 5 out of 5. These really are like irregular choice kind of style. There's a lot going on, and they didn't charge any more than their regular dunes. So, you know, I think they are expensive, but not too much. So I'll say 4 out of 5. And then for shipping, I'll say 4 out of 5. Because once they shipped, it was pretty fast, but it was on pre-order for, like, they announced them in like December or November of last year. And then, you know, it's October. So if you count all that time, that's a long time. But yeah. The quality is also going to be a 4 out of 5 because they've got these weird seams on the bottom here. I think that's just because of the fabric. Maybe I'll give them a 4.5 out of 5. Because it's probably hard to make that seem invisible with such a metallic fabric here. Shipping, price, quality. I can't remember what else I do. Good shoes. Teletubby shoes. Oh. You know the bye, subscribe, see you later all you haters.